Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to discuss how to set up Shopify Google Ads integration. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So as you can see, I'm on my admin panel. You simply need to head over to your online store. From there, head over to preferences. If you see that, you will be able to find different options like for example Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, but we cannot see Google Ads in here. For that, head over to your Play Store of Shopify and search in here for ads. Once you click on that, it will be directed towards your App Store and you should be able to find Google Ads in here. And you can see we have various options showing up. If I scroll a bit down, actually let me search in here for Google Ads. Alright, so here as you can see we have the official one-click Google Ads tracking integration, and if you simply install this onto your Shopify, you will have your Shopify Google Ads integration ready to go. I hope this is going to be helping and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.